That was 6 seconds. What just happened in those 6 seconds? Did you see the person on a bicycle? Did the cyclist cross the street? Did they cross at a crosswalk? Was the crosswalk marked? Was there a signal for crossing? Did the signal tell the cyclist to cross now? How much time was left on the signal before the signal would turn red? Was there a bike lane on the other side of the street? Did the cyclist make it safely across the street and into the bike lane? All that already happened in 6 seconds. What is the law? Are these big trucks allowed on the streets? No. These are 53-foot-long trailers. They are not allowed on New York City streets.